Why Lady Fatima, the beloved daughter of Prophet Muhammad, was laid to rest secretly. Lady Fatima, revered by all, played a pivotal role in Islam's early years. Yet, her departure from this world was marked by a sorrowful event. Lady Fatima, grieving the loss of her father, faced challenges that led to her early departure. In the shadows of political turmoil, her rights along with her husband's were overshadowed. Aware of the impending tumult, Lady Fatima, with profound wisdom, requested her burial to be a concealed affair, away from the eyes of those who had wronged her. The secret burial, orchestrated by Imam Ali, her loyal companion Lady Asma and some other family members, symbolized a silent protest against injustice, a poignant statement against the suppression of her and her husband's rights. Lady Fatima's secret burial carries a profound message, a call to stand against oppression and a testament to the enduring strength of truth. The unknown resting place of Lady Fatima speaks volumes, a timeless symbol of resilience and a call for justice.